Yes, so everyone, welcome to the beautiful Greece, Athens. I'm sure you're all itching to get out of the airport and want to enjoy what Athens can offer. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to use all the transportation options from the airport to the city center. I would think for the first timer like me in Athens, I am so overwhelmed with all the information, but I will make it easy and hope you can watch this video until the end. If you have not, please subscribe to my channel and click the like buttons, please. So why wait? Let's get going. And here we are, just coming out of the baggage claim area. You will see this. And if you happen to have a quick layover and want to put your luggage in storage rental, you can actually turn to the left and go all the way until the end of the hallway of the arrival area, which is by the door number 1. It is super convenient, and rest assured, you can just put your bags and get out of the airport and enjoy your day in Athens. And if you do not need the storage rental, and if you are just ready to leave, we can go exit from door number 2. Yes, and you have the options for taxi or taxi. Unfortunately, there is no Uber service yet in Athens in 2023. Some of you may just want to leave and don't want to waste any more time here at the airport. Then this is just your option. You just have to pay more. The cost of taxi to the city center is about 40 to 55 euros. And it will take about 25 minutes. And as you can see, the wait can be pretty long, but it may worth your time. Still, the other cheapest option is to take a public bus to the city center. And if you are interested, you can also exit from door number 2. And just turn to your right and keep walking until you see all the sign that leads you for public buses. The most common destination to city center is the Syntagma Square. You can purchase the bus tickets from the ticket booth or this ticket machine. The price of one-way bus tickets right now is about 5.5 euros. It may change and varies depending on when you get to Athens. Make sure you get your bus tickets ready before you're getting into the bus. It is super simple when you look at the direction. If you want to go to city center, which is the Syntagma Square, then you will take the X95 bus from the airport. And if you're planning to go to Piraeus, then you take the bus X96 like this one. Nice and easy, right? So depending on the location you need to go, all you need is just to look at the sign up above. Oh, also, do not forget to validate your tickets when entering the bus. Door number 3. Yes, the last and final option is to take the metro train from the airport. Exiting from door number 3 is the easiest path to the metro train. All you need is just across the street carefully. Yes, lots of moving vehicles, and I just don't want to get hit. So be careful, guys. So from here, you just want to make sure that you are finally safe on the other side, and you want to turn to the left. And yes, thank God the escalator is working today. So you want to go up the escalator and go up and up and up. Just keep walking, guys. Yep, I know it's a long way, but it'll be worth it. And from here, you want to turn to your right. And yes, another path to go. So, good thing there's a walking escalator. So, don't worry, you'll get there. Woohoo! We finally arrived here at the station, and this can be so overwhelming, but don't worry, guys. I will guide and show you on how to purchase the train tickets. And these guys at the information booth are super nice and friendly, and they are most welcoming. And let me show you how to purchase the tickets right now. You want to buy a round-trip ticket because you do not want to wait in line getting your ticket when you try to leave the city center. It is easier and convenient, trust me. You do not want to fight over a ticket machine in the future. So when you're at the machine, the first thing you need to do is choose the language, which is English at this point, and you want to choose buy travel product. And Athens Airport round trip and 90 minutes. Quantity is 1 and the total is 16 euros for round trip. It is super easy and they take any kind of credit cards or cash for payments. I would prefer using credit cards so you will have the proof of payments. Well, in case something happened, you never know, especially when traveling, right? And there you go. You get your train tickets and plus the receipt at the bottom. And now we are ready. Well, the entrance to the train platform is on the left side of the building from the entrance station door. And now we need to validate our tickets first upon entering. We are going down right now to the platform. Good things there are escalators. And also, you want to stand on your right if you are just taking your time because some people are in the rush and they need to pass you over on your left. So think about that just in case to make sure that some people can be mad at you if you are just dilly-dally in the middle of the escalator. And from here, you want to turn to the right because there is another floor down to go. Yes, it's quite a walk. But, make sure there are 2 different trains. On the left side, there is a suburban train, and on the right side, which is the one that we want, is the metro train on the right side. So, keep in mind, the metro operates from 6:30 a.m. until 11:30 p.m. So that means they do not run 24/7. And the metro departs only every 30 minutes. And the train has arrived. Now the journey to the city center or Syntagma Square begins. I know it is a loaded information, but the only thing we need to know is there are 16 station stops to go before we reach Syntagma Square. So either you count the number of stations or you keep looking at the station signs up above. Don't worry too much because they announce the name of the station on each stop. It takes about 45 minutes one-way trip to Syntagma Square. The train can get very full, so be ready to stand during the whole trip. Yes, it can be tiring since they don't have enough seats on the train. And we are finally arrived here. And right now I am looking for the exit sign. And well, there you go here. There is an elevator on the right. Okay, well, there's some people here, so I guess I have to wait for a little bit. Oh, hell no. I am not dragging my bags up the stairs. Nope, 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 nope. And I am taking this elevator. Yep, super convenient. And I am here now at the ticketing floor. So ready to exit the station and try to get some, well, Greece air. Oh, finally, I see the light. Yes, the light of Greece. Oh, darn. Another stairs? Really? No escalator to go up? Well, but at least I'm here now. Can't complain. And here we are. Syntagma Square. So sunny and beautiful. Yep. Well, let me check it out. Because according to my map, If you go up the stairs here, and guess what? We will see the Parliament building. Yep, I will go there next. Everyone, thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. I hope this information will be so useful for your next trip to Athens. Also, please check out my video journey exploring Athens. You can click the link in the description box. I put a simple step-by-step itinerary that you can follow as your guide to plan your trip. If you have not, please subscribe to my channel and click the like buttons. Until the next video adventure, Evaristo, thank you again. Sampai jumpa lagi. Bye.